Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for international money transfers. To start, simply create a new PayPal account or log in to your existing one. Once you are logged in, find the Send and Request tab, usually located at the top of your screen. From there, you will need to enter the email address or mobile number of the person you wish to send money to. This ensures your funds go to the correct recipient. When sending money internationally, it is important to understand the associated fees and exchange rates. PayPal typically charges a small percentage for international personal payments, which can vary. Additionally, the exchange rate applied will include a currency conversion spread. Always take a moment to carefully review the total amount, including all fees and the final converted sum, before you confirm your transfer. This ensures full transparency. After entering the recipient's details, you will need to select the currency in which you want to send the money. Next, choose your preferred payment method for the transfer. This could be your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit card. Before finalizing, carefully confirm all the transaction details, including the amount and recipient. Once everything looks correct, securely authorize the payment to complete your transfer. Once you send the money, the recipient will receive it directly in their PayPal account. From there, they have the option to keep the funds in their PayPal balance or withdraw them to a linked bank account. A crucial tip for all international transfers is to always double-check the recipient's email address or mobile number before sending. This simple step helps prevent errors and ensures your money reaches its intended destination safely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.